Hello friends, welcome to Obi Maths and hope you have gone through the previous lecture of concept of Heron's formula chapter number 10, and if not, please do visit that. It is a very 10-minute short video where we have understood the formula, how only by knowing the sides of the triangle how we can calculate the area of the triangle. Now let us start exercise 10.1. Question number 1 says a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. एक स्कूल अहेड करके बोर्ड है, वो है कैसा? It is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If parameter is 1 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? So we have this equilateral triangle with side A, and A. And we are also given perimeter as 180 centimeter. Now, let us keep this formula and derive another formula. Parameter is 180 centimeter. That is known. And A will be 180 by 3, all sides are equal, so it will be 60 centimeter. What will be S here? S will be 3 times A by 2, right? And what does Heron formula says? Heron formula says area of triangle is area of equilateral triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So in this case, all the S is root 3 by 2, and 3A by 2 minus A. This will be 3A by 2 minus A and 3A by 2 minus A. Okay. So here total 4 times A will come. I will show you how. It will come 3 by 2 A, and this will come 2A minus 3A. It will be A by 2, A by 2 and A by 2. Now 4 times A are there, so A square will come out. Okay, 4 times down 2 is there, so and here 3 will be under root 3. So what I am trying to say that for equilateral triangle, the formula from Heron's formula can be derived like this, that for equilateral triangle sides are equal, so it will be root 3 by 4 into square of side. So here the value of side is root 3 by 4, side is 60 into 60, so this will come 15. So it will come 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this will be the area of signal board. This is our answer. You can do it directly also. You can put the value here also. S and C. S will be, let's say it will be 180 by 2, half of parameter, it will be 90. So you can put directly 90 minus 60, 90 into 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60. It will come in same manner, but I have to demonstrate how formulas are derived from Heron's formula. Therefore, I have shown you that in that perspective. Now let us go to the second question, very important question, that says that we have a triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of walls are the advertisement yield and earning of. देखिए एक पुल है जिस पे गाड़ियाँ चलती हैं, ठीक है, साइकिल भी चलती है. ओके, now अब इस पुल पे ये मेन रोड है, ओके, तो ये भी एक रोड है, तो गाड़ियाँ यहाँ भी चली। तो इस दीवार पे ये दीवार इन लोगों ने पेंट की है कि यहाँ पे एडवर्टीज़मेंट डालेंगे और ये इसका फ़ायदा होगा। अब रेट क्या है एडवर्टीज़मेंट का? रेट है 5,000 रुपीज़ पर मीटर स्क्वायर, ओके, इट इज़ रुपीज़ 5,000 per meter square, and the dimensions are 120 meter, 22 meter and 122 meter. Then we have to find the area of triangle. We can see ABC. So S is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120.2. That goes for 264. By 2, that comes 132 meter. Now area will be under root 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120. Okay, this will come under root 130 into 10 into 110 into 12. Okay, simple. It will come 13 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 11 into 2 into 5 into 2 3 6. So this will come. Now we have to find out the pair. 2 5 5 to the 10 pair comes out. Again 13 is not. Again here 2 will come out, and again here 2 and 5 will be inside. So it will come 13 into 11 into 10 into 3. So 10 and 20 root 39 4290. So this will come as area, and now we will multiply it by 5,000 and you solve, you will get the answer. Now moving to the next question. Question number 3 says we have a triangular park where we have to paint the whole park. To write here, keep the park green and clean. Okay, now here it will be 11, here it will be 6, and here it will be 15 meter. Now we have to find the area. So again S will be 11 plus 6 plus 15 by 2. So it will come 32 by 2 is equal to 16 meter. So area will be under root 16. 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 6 is 10, and 16 minus 15 is 1. So here it will come 16, 4 of course, and 5 and 5 here will be 5, and here under root 2 will left, and so 10 root 2 meter square is the area that is left behind to paint. Now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4 says the surface area of triangle of two sides which are, so we have a triangle whose sides are 18, 10 and perimeter is 42. So third side will be 42 minus 18 minus 10, 28, 14. Now S will be 42 by 2 is 21. S minus A will be 21 minus 18, 3. S minus B will be 21 minus 10 is 11. And S minus C will be 21 minus 14 will be 7. Now area 21 into 3 into 11 into 7, that goes, one pair will come from here and one pair will come from here, and this will be under root 11. So 21 root 11 is the area of triangle. Don't forget to measure this unit in the last, which will be in square. Now let's go to question number 5. It is given the ratio of sides of triangle are 12:17:25 and perimeter is 540. Now we have to find the area. Okay. Now 12x plus 17x plus 25x will be 540. This will come as this will come as 54x is equal to 540, x is equal to 10. So sides are 12, 120, 170 and 250. Now S is equal to 540 by 2 is equal to 270, and S minus A will be 270 minus 120, S minus B will be, and S minus C. 270 minus 170 is 100. This will be 120, 220, 150, and 270 minus 250 is 20. Okay. Now area will be under root 270 into 150 into 100 into 20, right? Now 4 ones will come here, it will come 100. Okay, now we will left with 27. 9 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. Now 9, 3 will come, 100 into 3. This pair of 3 will come, this pair of 5 will come, this pair of 2 will come. It will come 9 5 ja 45, 2 ja 90, and 90 and 100 is 9000 centimeter square is the area of triangle for which ratios were given. Now last question of this chapter, question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter of 30 centimeter and each is equal to side of 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Isosceles triangle has perimeter of 60 centimeter. Though these two sides are equal, A, B and C, and perimeter is 30 centimeter and equal side is 12 centimeter. Equal sides 12. So BC is equal to 30 minus 12 minus 12 is BC is equal to 6 centimeter. This comes 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. Very simple. Area is equal to under root S will be what? Perimeter half, 30 by 2 is 15. So 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 12 is 3, and 15 minus 6 is 9. Now Okay, so we can write it as 3, here it will come 3, here will come 3 is 9, and under root 15 will be centimeter square will be answer. So we have completed the entire, only one single exercise was there which we have completed. So with lot of patience you are here with me till now, and stay tuned to AbhiMaths for amazing new chapter we will start in next lecture, chapter number 11. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.